Hey, I'm John. I'm part of the cross-chain bridge team, and today I'm going to be doing a how-to video for using our bridge. Before beginning, please see the description below for all requirements for using our bridge. So to begin with, we're going to go to the tab on the left side and select bridge tokens. For today, I'll be using a small amount of bridge to move from the Polygon network to the Binance Smart Chain. So as you can see, bridge is already selected. If you're using another token, you can select from here. And I'll be bridging 30 bridge tokens. As mentioned, I'll be starting from the Polygon network and I'll be going to the Binance Smart Chain network. As you can see here, I'm already connected to the Polygon network via MetaMask. For this transaction to be completed, you need to have Binance also installed on your MetaMask. If this is the first time using the bridge, you'll have to do a pre-approval bridge transaction. This will activate MetaMask, causing a transaction which you'll have to approve. This is my second time using the bridge, so now that all the details are in, I can click Confirm Send. The pop-up here is notifying you the total amount of tokens that you want to bridge. As you can see just below, there is a bridging fee, so the final amount that will arrive on the Binance Smart Chain will be 29.89. Everything here looks good to me, so I'm going to click Confirm Bridging. This will open up MetaMask. It will notify you of the current gas fees. Everything looks good to me. I'm going to confirm the transaction. Now I'll close the screen. For the transaction to complete on the bridge, first the Polygon transaction will complete, which we can see here. Then 130 confirmations need to be confirmed on the Polygon network before we can claim the tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. The confirmation block time is coming to completion. This can usually take between 2 to 5 minutes. As soon as it's done, the bridge will notify us to switch networks so we can begin the claiming process. So the block notification is complete. I can now click Switch Network, send a message to MetaMask. Here I'll switch network from Polygon to Binance, and now we're ready to claim the bridge tokens. Once again, I'll click Bridge and confirm this in MetaMask. This will now be transaction in Binance, so it'll charge gas in BNB. You'll have to have BNB tokens in your wallet to claim. Close this, and the transaction is complete. I should now have the bridge tokens in my wallet. As I can see, the last transaction came through here. And that's how you complete a bridging transaction on the cross-chain bridge. Thank you.